Hello, everyone. This is Jeremy with Intuit, supporting the sponsor experience for QBC Virtual. The goal of this video is to step through the registration page and payment process so you become familiar with the information that we need to make your sponsor profile page a QBC Virtual favorite. Now that you've seen the partner experience, this is what we'll need from you next. Each sponsor lead can go into our sponsor portal and enter sponsor profile information, upload assets, and make sponsorship payments. Step 1. This page is only to register the sponsor lead and enter sponsor profile information. All other team members will be provided a different link for registration at a later date. Please fill in as much information as you can. Your progress can be saved so that you can return to upload more information if needed. Step 2. This page is for all of the uploaded content, including your logo, videos on demand, profile image if you do not have any videos, and downloadable content such as brochures and PDFs. Once you upload your initial video on demand or downloadable content, you will see up to 4 additional file upload fields each. If any file is more than 10 megabytes, please email it to NA. If you are unable to upload all of your assets, your progress can be saved so that you can return to upload more information if needed. Step 3. The final step is to enter your payment details for your sponsorship level. You can review your sponsorship level selection and see the balance due. We accept credit card payments with American Express, Discover, MasterCard, and Visa. Once you have completed submitting your sponsor profile information, you will see a summary of your information, sponsorship level, selection, transaction details, along with buttons to view or email your invoice and modify any information. You will receive a confirmation email with a link to log back into your confirmation page to view or modify any of the information. Please have all information and assets submitted by October 19th. We appreciate your sponsorship for QBC Virtual and look forward to delivering a great attendee experience together. Please feel free to reach out with any follow-up questions and have a great day.